What's a movie sequel that's better than the original, and why?
I think a movie sequel that's better than the original is The Dark Knight, the second movie in the Dark Knight series, because you have Heath Ledger playing the Joker, and he's amazing. And actually, the third movie is better than the first movie as well.
I'm actually in agreement with that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I say Deadpool 2 only because it was a lot more funnier than the first one, and it was chronologically in order and not no time skips, but that's just my personal preference.
Thank you.
It's close, but finding Dory over finding Nemo, because I especially appreciate the message and the secondary characters.
I would say Puss in Boots just because it was more adult, different more scenes, because it was more not just directly towards children, but like had more action, it was more relatable.
Nice.
I would have to say the later Harry Potters because, it gets a lot more interesting with that bald head man.
I'm selling. That like one Puss in Boots movie? The second one was pretty good. Like the wolf and everything.
I'm gonna say The Empire Strikes Back in Star Wars. It's way better than New Hope. There's a lot more characters, there's a lot more plot, and things really get like more intense with the action sequences. Home Alone, because New York is just better. Is that where they were?
Yeah.
New York is just better.
It's your favorite.
But it was just like the better part because they like. It was just better.
Hey, I'm in agreement, but I know it's controversial, so.
A movie sequel that's better than the original.
And why?
I'm a Rocky 4, Rocky 5 gal.
Nice.
Rocky 2 is better than Rocky 1 because there's a lot more action going on.
Nice. I like The Dark Knight better than Batman Begins. I like Batman Begins, but Dark Knight was definitely my favorite, so.
Godfather II is even more amazing than Godfather 1, which was amazing. It was much more intense, and it got in the character development even more than the first movie.
The word of the day is waffling, I guess, presented by Julia and Keita. Yeah, thank you for that.
Puss in Boots 2 is pretty good. It's hard to play and talk.
Rocky 4 is better than the original Rocky. It's the perfect combination of rewatchability and drama. You just watch it over and over again, and it never gets old. It's fantastic.
What's a movie sequel that's better than the original, and why?
I would probably go with the movie Aliens over the original Alien. I mean, Alien was like a classic horror sci-fi movie, a real slow burn that just like got kind of crazy at the end. But the second one just like, it moved, it had a lot of horror in it, and this is a fun movie to watch.
What's a movie sequel that's better than the original, and why?
I like the sequel Fu Panda 2. It was very well animated. I like the voice actors in there, and I just think it's better than the first movie.
Nice, thank you. All right, sweet.